You might think you want someone else's life, but you don't. And I'm going to show you why. Confidence hack number 54 of 365, all throughout the year. Daily confidence boosts coming directly to this show and to your inbox for free. If you want to sign up to get an email inbox with a confidence boost every morning, go to davidnurse.com where you can sign up for free. You are no longer you. Where am I going with this? Okay, well, imagine you are the person you aspire to be like. Pick a role model or a celebrity that you would like to change lives with for a day. I'm choosing David Beckham. I mean, his swag, his style, the British accent, what's there not to trade? But there is the thing, we only see highlights of our role models' lives, and even anyone we don't truly know for that matter. When was the last time you scrolled through social media and you saw someone's live streaming an argument with their spouse or bragging about the F their child received on the report card and the constant stress they feel weighing them down to hit the target numbers in their business? And if you think that is only normal people problems, it's not. The grass is not greener on the other side. The grass is only greener because there has probably been more manure to fertilize it. Yeah, I don't know who said that quote. I think I just made that one up, but I really like it. Before Thanksgiving in 2009, Tiger Woods had it all. He was the number one golfer in the world, and more men wanted to be him than George Clooney and Leonardo DiCaprio combined. Why would you not want to trade lives with Tiger? He had it all until he didn't. What the millions of people who wanted to be in his shoes didn't know that he was juggling a secret life, trying to hide infidelities and lies from his wife and kids. A life I can imagine would be filled with stress and anxiety, strained relationship with his parents, uncomfortable speaking in public. The number one person men wanted to be was a picture of a Greek god on the outside, but broken into 100 pieces of shrapnel on the inside. And of course, the rest is history. Divorce, public humiliation, golf game was never the same, sponsors dropped him, the list goes on and on. What I'm saying by this confidence hack today is if you envy someone else, a role model, celebrity, spend a day in their shoes and see behind the curtains of what's really going on. Everyone is going through something. That's just how life is, and it's totally okay. The confidence boost today comes from understanding that no one's life is perfect. Even the person who looks like they have it all together does not. You can see the beautiful swan gliding across the crystal glass water above, but you never see the 1.6 mile per hour feet kicking below the surface just to stay afloat. Gain confidence in knowing you are exactly the person you are supposed to be. And even when you think someone else is perfect and you envy their lives, trust me, their lives are far from perfect. Now, my wife and I, we just got back from Maui. We start every year off in Maui. It's just such a refreshing, recharging way to start the year. But what I've been using, meat that I have been eating for the past 6 months and been absolutely obsessed with, comes from Maui. Maui Nui venison. They have delicious ground meat, organ blends, a variety of steak cuts, rib chops, jerky. It's very lean too, and I'm big on staying in the best shape I can possibly be in. And sometimes the beef will have a lot of fat in it, but Maui Nui venison, extremely lean, healthy, all just amazingly raised in Maui Axis deer. So what they're doing it too is giving my listeners, you all, a great deal to go try it out. And the code is NURSE for 20% off. Go to Maui Nui, N-U-I, venison.com. Check it out. There's great meat in there. You'll get addicted like I have. And it's also a great gift to get people too. So check it out, MauiNuiVenison.com, 20% off with the code NURSE. And if you get it, let me know. Love to hear about your experience.